Hi guys, thanks for checking out this video. I'll be smoking a roll of bologna, and I used about 2.5 pounds of Kentucky Border. Now if you're going to be doing this, of course you want to use the brand of bologna that you like. The first step was to go ahead and get our fire started. I'm using an offset smoker, and I'll be using some lump charcoal and a little oak, and also kind of mixed in a little bit of cherry today as well. Also wanted to show you a product. I don't know if you've used these before or not, but Royal Oak makes these tumbleweed fire starters, and if you're looking for a more natural way to light your charcoal or your wood, you might want to take a look at these, and I'll put a link in the description of the video below. First thing that you'll want to do is take your bologna, and you want to take the wrapper off of it, and take a knife and you just want to score it. Next step was I just took some mustard, and you can use your favorite brand or favorite variety of mustard to do this, and just very lightly coat the bologna with it. This is just going to act more or less as a binder. After you've coated it in mustard, just take some type of a rub. You can make your own or use something that you buy off the shelf. I just use this Grill Mates barbecue rub for simplicity, and just because I already had some this time. But you just want to coat it all over with that, and try to make sure maybe that you get some of it down into those crevices that you made when you scored the bologna. Once my temperature came up to about 225 degrees, I went ahead and put it on the smoker, and you'll basically just leave it there. You won't even touch it. Maybe come back and look in about an hour. We're not looking for a specific internal temperature or anything because the bologna is already cooked. The purpose of this is to just impart some smoke flavor and to build a bark on the outside and take on some color. So once the color is where you want it and that bark is where you'd like it to be, then that's probably when you might want to glaze it or put a little barbecue sauce on it and let it kind of set up, and then you'll be ready to pull it at that time. All right, an hour's passed, so went ahead and took a look at it. As you can see, it's starting to take on a little bit of color. We still got another hour or so to go probably to achieve the color that we're looking for, so we'll go ahead and shut it back down and maintain temperature and give it about another hour. After 2 hours had passed, the color was getting pretty close to what I was looking for, and so I decided at that point to go ahead and use some barbecue sauce and just brush that on there and give it a little glaze on the outside. I'm going to leave it probably for about another half hour or so and let that sort of set up, and then it'll be ready to pull out. Again, thanks for checking out my video, guys, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. That way you can catch more of my videos. And also, I'll put a link in the description to my email sign-up list, so sign up there and I'll send you emails with product reviews and videos, recipes, and all sorts of things. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.